Okay, welcome to all. See, in previous two videos, we have worked out problems on verifying commutative property, associative property. So, let us consider another example from NCERT textbook. See, first read the problem. Let star be a binary operation on n set of natural numbers given by a star b is equal to LCM of a and LCM of a and b. LCM of a and b. See this here, as you are seeing on the screen, four questions are combined. See, this is very important. So here first question is find 5 star 7 20 star 16. That is one question for 1 mark. So it has been once asked in part A for 1 mark. How the question, see here, let star be a binary operation on n given by a star b is equal to LCM of a and b. Then find 5 star 7, only this much was asked, or find 20 star 16. Here both are combined. So only you can treat each question as 1 mark questions. You can expect such questions in part A. So here all the 5 cases have been combined. Don't think like that. These are individual questions. So here we have to work out first one, second, third and fourth. Okay, these are all 1 mark questions which we can expect for 1 mark in part A. So what we have to do here is, here first we have to find a 5 star 7 and 20 star 16. So let us work out the first one here. See, what is a star b? A star b is given as LCM of a and b. This is very important. LCM of a and b. Okay, then we have to find 5 star 7. This is very simple. See here, 5 star 7. 5 star 7 means this is A and this is B. So what is the meaning here? 5 star 7 means LCM of 5 and 7. So what is the LCM of 5 and 7? That is nothing but 35. Over. So this is for 1 mark. So what is 5 star 7? LCM of 5 and 7. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. It is a natural number. Okay. This one is first one. So in the first one, there are two subcases here, 20 star 16. So similarly, we can take up that one here. See, 20 star 16 means what? LCM of 20 and 16. Okay, LCM of 20 and 16. So what is the LCM of 20 and 16? So it will work out in the separate page here, separate page, and then write down the answer. So I am expecting you to write the answer. What is the LCM of 20 and 16? Okay, this is not a live class, so I am writing the answer directly. So many of the students don't know how to find LCM here. Okay, LCM of 20 and 16 is what? It is 80. So it is a natural number. Okay, first case is over. So how I got 80? So you can find out on your own LCM of 20 and 16. Then we can go for second question. See what the second question says. Second question is a star commutative? See here, is a star commutative? Then we have to verify, is it associative? Then lastly, we have to find out the identity element. These are the three questions. So let us go for second question. Is a star commutative? So this is very simple. Second one. So commutative property says, a star b is equal to, what is this? B star a. So in this problem, A star B means what? LCM of A and B. We have to write it in one line is equal to, what is B star A? This is LCM of B and A. Both are same. LCM of A and B is as good as LCM of B and A. Therefore, star is simple, commutative over this much. A star B means LCM of A and B. Nothing but this is LCM of B and A. So if you take LCM of say 5 and 7, it will be same as LCM of 7 and 5. So both are same. Therefore, star is commutative. Okay, just check for third one. Associative property. See, associative property, third one here. So first I will consider one by one, A star, B star, C. So I will work out this side. See, A star, B star, C means what? LCM of B and C, according to the definition. So here A star, see, LCM of B and C means LCM of A, B, C. Okay, LCM of 3 numbers. I got LCM of A, B, C. So LCM of 3 numbers. So this is nothing but LCM of A, B, C. So let us consider another side. Consider A star B star C. What is this? A star B means LCM of A and B star C. So you combine this LCM of A and B star C means what? LCM of, once again this is equal to A, B, C. See, both sides are equal to LCM of A, B, C. So what is the conclusion? Therefore, star is associative. See, third one is over. Star is associative. So let us check the fourth one. This is very important. Find the identity element of star in set of natural numbers. See, here we have to find out the identity element. So for this you should have the knowledge of identity law, identity property. So what identity property says? Identity property says, see here, this one is, I am working out fourth one. By identity law or identity property, we know A star E is equal to, we should get back that element. See, A star E is equal to A, where E is what? Identity element. So here we have to find what is the identity element in natural numbers, set of natural numbers. Okay, this A star E means, according to the definition, LCM of A and E. Okay, LCM of A and E should be equal to that element only. Then what is the element E? What is the identity element? See, for example, so you can write this one. See, so if I combine these two, I should get back that element. See, for example, LCM of, say, 1 and 3. LCM of 1 and 3. So what is the LCM of 1 and 3? 1 and 3 is, LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. And say LCM of 1 and 5. What is the LCM of 1 and 5? 1 and 5 is, I am getting back that element only. See, I am getting back that elements only 5. Okay. So what is the identity element here? So my identity element is 1. I think you got the idea. So LCM, if I combine any element with 1, LCM will be that element only. So therefore, identity element in this case is 1. So what we have to write? We have to write, therefore, E in this case is equal to 1. Of course, 1 is a natural number. So this is the answer for fifth question. See here, very, very important. So I have worked out this one in this video. See, 5 star 7, 20 star 16 LCM. So we have worked out whether it is commutative or associative. This one is. Then we have found out the identity element. So you have to write the steps neatly in your notebook. So I hope you will follow what I am saying. Let us do some more problems in the next video.